So how do you network better? I'm going to give you some key insights I think will definitely help you, because we all have heard of the phrase, your network is your network. You know, we all know this stuff works, don't we? That's why we're part of this community and others too. So here are a couple of tips, so please write these down, which will definitely help you to not only get some of these things that you want if you need those, but also offer them for other people too. Have you heard of the theory of the 6 degrees of separation? Now, of course, with regard to digital media these days, it has just absolutely exploded. Back in 2007, Microsoft Messenger looked at 30 billion messages across 240 million people. And they worked out that within 6 links amongst those audiences, amongst those messages, you can reach anybody else that you want. So think about that when it comes to networking, because you can network in a room like this, at a property or business event, and of course you can also network online. There's all sorts of ways of doing it. Show me your hand if you use Facebook or LinkedIn. Yeah, we all do it anyway. It might not be termed networking, but that's what it's all about. So that's the 6 degrees of separation, which means you can get everything that you need relatively quickly and easily if you do it in the right way. Focus on your existing contacts, friends, family, colleagues, people who you are already in contact with. Because I don't know about you guys, I go to a lot of networking events, a lot of business events, and I see people collecting business cards and they never use anything with those. The other thing is they focus on those new contacts but forget everybody else they already know. But we all know in property and in life, especially when it comes to raising finance, doing deals, working with other people, it's all about building your connections and working with those connections. And so much of this stuff is about trust, likability. And if you can get on with people, like people, attract people who like you, that's what it's all about. So don't forget the people that you know already. Don't forget those to the detriment, don't ignore those to the detriment of looking at new contacts all the time. Invest in your existing contacts. But also think about how you can help somebody else. So what is it they need? Ask the question. When you go online, or you're commenting on various Facebook posts, for example, or you're at an event like this, or a PPN event, for example, other networking events, ask how you can help somebody else. Don't just say, I'm a property investor and I want to raise £500,000. That's not helping anybody else at all. And that turns people off. So find out how you can help somebody else.